Hello. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today, in Learning English Through Travel Memories, I am going to tell you a story about my recent trip from Colombia to Miami. So, in today's video, we are going to be listening to this simple travel story, looking at a vocabulary list with 10 new vocabulary words, and doing some listening comprehension questions. So, this particular video is for beginners. Let's get started. My travel story. I was supposed to travel on Tuesday, July 22nd from Pereira, Colombia to Miami in the United States. But when we arrived at the airport, the airline, which was Avianca, told us something very important. I was traveling with my dog, two children, and my father-in-law. And because of this, it's very important that the dog travel in the correct airplane. Avianca changed airplanes on us, specifically the airplane flying from Bogota to Miami. This new plane was no longer adequate for dog travel, so it could not take my dog as extra luggage. So we had to change our flight to the next day. We had 8 pieces of luggage, 2 children, and a dog. So the next morning on Wednesday, the 23rd, we returned to the airport. We checked in our luggage and everything went perfectly. We put the dog in a crate and then went through security. At security, we took out our laptops and walked through the X-ray machine. This airport in Pereira is very small. It only has 4 gates, and we left out of the first gate. The first flight was very short. From Pereira to Bogota, it's only 30 minutes. When we arrived in Bogota, the airport was very busy. Our original flight had us flying at night, and our new flight had us flying all day. There were many travelers. We went to immigration. It was very full. We waited about 30 minutes. We showed our documents to the immigration officer. After immigration, we were hungry. So we got a burger for lunch, but it was time to board the next flight. So we took our food to go. We boarded the second plane. This time we sat in row 21. The flight from Bogota to Miami was 3 hours and 5 minutes. There was a little turbulence, which made me nervous for my dog. But in the end, everything was okay, and we landed safely in Miami. Now, we needed to bring the dog into the United States. So we went to a special baggage area for the animals. My dog is big, about 80 pounds, so 36 kilos. So he was in a very heavy crate, and we had to push his crate with all of our luggage. We showed the dog's paperwork to the customs officers, and then we were cleared to go. We passed the dog off to the special agency that was dealing specifically with bringing the dog to the United States. And then after that, we went to the rental car agency. We took the airport tram or train called the Mia Mover to the rental area. Finally, I got to pick up a big green truck, and then we drove to the hotel. It was a very long and tiring day, but we made it. Now let's go ahead and listen to the vocabulary words. Let's look at those 10 vocabulary words. Number 1, airport. Airport. A place where planes arrive and leave. Number 2, luggage. Luggage. Bags and suitcases you take when you travel. Number 3, crate. Crate. A special box for carrying a pet. Number 4, security. Security. The place where they check your things at the airport. Number 5, gate. Gate. The place in the airport where you get on the plane. Number 6, immigration. Immigration. The area where you show your passport to enter a country. Number 7, Documents. Documents. Important papers like a passport or visa. Number 8. Turbulence. Turbulence. When a plane shakes during the flight. Number 9. Rental car. Rental car. A car you pay to use for a short time. Number 10. Reservation. Reservation. When you book something in advance, like a hotel or a car. Let's look at those 5 comprehension questions. Number 1. Why couldn't the speaker travel on July 22nd? A. The flight was full. B. The plane changed and couldn't take the dog. C. They forgot their passport. Number 2. How many pieces of luggage did they have? A. 8. B. 6. C. 10. 3. How long was the first flight from Pereira to Bogota? A. 1 hour. B. 2 hours. C. 30 minutes. Number 4. What food did they get at the airport in Bogota? A. Burger. B. Sandwich. C. Pizza. Number 5. What kind of car did they rent in Miami? A. A small car. B. A big truck. C. A bus. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining in and learning a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this story. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, practice makes progress.